Good morning, class. Today is Friday, March 20th. Can you believe that we've been doing school at home for 5 days? I'm so proud of how hard you've all been working, even though our days look a little bit different than they do in the classroom. Your moms and dads have sent me pictures and videos, and I was so excited to see you guys because I miss you so much and I can't wait to be together again. So for today's lesson, I only want you to do 2 things. The first thing you're going to do is I want someone at home to do your spelling test with you. The second thing I want you to do is to do a writer's workshop that we usually do on Fridays at home. So we're going to talk about what it means to be a star writer, and maybe there's someone at home that doesn't know what that means and you can fill them in. Grade 2, I hope you have a wonderful weekend with your families, and remember that I miss you very much. I know that we don't have our writing folders at home, so let's go over what it means to be a star writer. Star writers use capital letters. When do we use capital letters in a sentence? That's right, capital letters go at the beginning of each sentence. We also use capital letters for proper nouns, like someone's name. Star writers use finger spaces and neat printing. In grade 2, we are working on those spaces and making sure that our writing is our very best work. Star writers use punctuation. When do we use punctuation? That's right, we use punctuation at the end of a sentence. In grade 2, we also know the right place to use each different type of punctuation: period, exclamation point, and question mark. A declarative sentence ends in a, that's right, it ends in a period. An exclamatory sentence ends in an exclamation mark. A sentence that asks a question is called a sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. Boys and girls, we need to remember to use punctuation in its proper place. Star writers sound out words to spell. I know that we don't have our word wall at home, but we can use our special sounds in phonics to help us to sound out words that we don't know how to spell. We can also ask someone at home to help us out with spelling when we're finished our writing. Boys and girls, I want you to reread what you have written today. Ask questions like, does this make sense? And is this my very best work? Happy writing!